Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making a beautiful delicious jollof rice. So I want to start by seasoning the chicken. I'll be using some onions, pepper mix. The pepper mix has habanero pepper, some ginger, and few cloves of onion, sorry, garlic. And I added some thyme, this one is thyme, and then curry powder and salt. So just stir it properly and make sure that everything is well combined. Make sure that they are well married together. So I want to make this chicken as very tasty as it can be. So I'm not adding any water. So I just want it to cook in its own water. Okay. So this is it after boiling for like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. See the water bubbling up. The water from the chicken, you see. So at this point the chicken will give out its water and then absorb it back. If you taste chicken made this way, really yummy and delicious. So after turning it around, the up one goes down. I cover it and still let it cook. So I'll also be using ox liver for this jollof rice, and I still season it the way I season the chicken. Okay, the same ingredients. Stir properly and also let it cook. The ox liver also have water in it, so I didn't add any extra water. You're going to see how much water it gave out. Wow. So here is it. So I still just want to let it cook again for like a total of 30 minutes. It will be well cooked. Okay. So after stirring it like this, just cover it and let it cook again. All right. So if you're new to my channel, you're very much welcome. Please give this video a thumbs up. Okay, it will really help this channel to be recommended to other persons. And also subscribe to our channel so that whenever we post new video, you'll be notified. So we are done with cooking the proteins. Now we are going to make the stew we need for our jollof rice. Okay. Okay, so that is the oil and the onions. Add some thyme and stir. So at this time I'm actually making some large quantity of rice, about 16 cups, but not at the same time. I want to do it like 8 cups today, then next one will not be like 8 cups. So don't worry about the oil. The rice is actually very much. This is tomato paste I'm adding. I have video on how to make your own tomato paste, different types of ways you can make a delicious tomato paste like this that you can use for anything. So just adding your tomato, let it cook, and be generous with your what crayfish when you're making jollof rice. Okay, you're making jollof rice. So just season it properly, because the stew is actually the base of your jollof rice. If you didn't season it very well, if you didn't fry it very well, your jollof rice. So fry your stew very well until it is properly fried. As you can see now, no any sign of water in the stew. It has been cooking for a while, so it's just ready and now good to go. The aroma, oof, over the roof. So I just took out the quantity I will be using for another day, and this is just the only stock I got from that chicken, because there's no much water, but you can always add water to yours if you want. It's just optional. Now at this point I still want to season it the more to the taste of, to match the quantity of rice I'm cooking. Okay, because you can't just do without seasoning your tomato, your stew. So I added a little more crayfish, fried the more as you kind of fry, taste it, fry it to a point that you will like, it's ready. Yes, at that point you know that you're on point. So at this point now, we want to kind of add water, bring it to a boil, and then add your already washed rice. Okay, all right. So this is the rice. I've added it. So when you add this rice now, you know your burner, so that your rice doesn't get burned. Just put it on a medium heat. in between low medium. Okay, so why I stir it is for the rice to properly combine, so that you will not have your rice some places looking white, some places looking over seasoned. It has boiled for a so still flip it over like this, okay, and then still add little more water, cover it and let it still cook on a medium heat, so that the rice can absorb the ingredient very well. Now I'll be using these vegetables, but I would like to kind of prep it on a different pan, season it, like, give it a very good taste, so that when you get a bite of it in the rice, it will taste great, now. So at this point the rice is cooked for up to like 90%. Yes, don't make your rice overcooked and it's so soft like that. When you now stir, everything will be looking somehow. So at this point we are done. We're ending the video right now. I believe you learned. See you again in my next video. Bye.